In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Airtable account subscription. Whether you're looking to unlock new features, increase your data limits, or simply explore a broader array of tools, upgrading your Airtable subscription can significantly enhance your productivity and overall experience with the platform. To begin, you'll need to be logged into your Airtable account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials on the main Airtable website. Once you're inside, you'll see yourself on your dashboard, a hub showing all your workspaces and bases. Now, let's move our attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the profile icon. This is typically a circular icon, often with a default image or perhaps your profile picture if you've set one. Click on it. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, offering several options relating to your account. Within this drop-down menu, look closely for the option that says Upgrade. It's dedicated to guiding users through the subscription enhancement process. Click on Upgrade to proceed. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a page showcasing different subscription plans offered by Airtable. Here, you'll see various options, each with details about pricing and features. It's a good idea to take some time to compare these plans. Assess what each tier offers, and think carefully about what you or your organization might need today and in the foreseeable future. Whether you require additional collaborators, larger attachment space, or access to exclusive blocks, this is the time to consider all your options. Once you've made a decision on the plan that best suits your needs, it's time to seal the deal. There should be a clearly labeled button or link corresponding to your chosen plan, often saying something like, "Select or choose this plan." Click on it. The next step will typically take you to a payment page. Here, you'll need to provide your billing information. Be sure to review all details for accuracy, things like your payment method, billing address, and the total amount due. Small errors here can lead to delays or issues in processing your subscription upgrade. After you've ensured all information is correct, submit the form. At this point, you may receive a confirmation on the screen, as well as a confirmation email, indicating that your upgrade was successful. Keep an eye out in your inbox for this message, as it acts as a receipt for your records. Congratulations, you have successfully upgraded your Airtable account subscription. Now, explore your new features and enjoy the expanded capabilities that come with your upgraded plan. If you run into any issues or have questions, remember that Airtable's support team is just a few clicks away, ready to assist you. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to upgrading your Airtable account.